Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Partybox Encore Essential Party Speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it is not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to delete all the pairing history, all of the settings off of this speaker so that you can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker. Coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really easily. All we need to do on this speaker is come in first of all and turn it on. It needs to be on for this to work. And then we're just going to find the light button that's over here and then the play button in the middle of the wheel. And we're just going to press and hold both of those buttons for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, the speaker will turn off and then it will automatically reboot into its factory default settings, at which point you can set this up as a brand new speaker.